Do you hear that someone's speaking to you but you don't understand what they're saying? In this video, I'll discuss the best hearing aids from Phonak, the Phonak Audeo Lumity, which offers Phonak's latest hearing aid technology. Today you'll learn how this device can help you hear your best. Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist with ProFitHearing.com, and on this channel we help you hear your best with today's latest hearing aid and headphone technology. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. The new Phonak Audeo Lumity offers Phonak's latest hearing aid technology. It's available in 3 different models: the Audeo LR, the Audeo LRT, which includes a telecoil, and the Audeo Life Lumity, which is waterproof in up to ½ a meter of water. All models are rechargeable, and they're available as a RIC, or receiver in canal version. There's 8 different colors, and this hearing aid can be adjusted for mild to profound hearing loss. The Phonak Audeo Lumity is available in 4 levels: Premium, Advanced, Standard, and Essential. Available features vary depending on the technology level. The Phonak Audeo Lumity features smart speech technology for improved speech understanding in noisy environments with less listening effort. 2 features that are new to Lumity are Speech Sensor and Stereo Zoom 2.0. Speech Sensor allows the user to hear from the sides and back. The hearing aid automatically detects where speech is coming from and adjusts the microphone sensitivity accordingly. Stereo Zoom 2.0 helps the user hear sounds directly in front of them by more aggressively reducing the background noise. The microphone sensitivity can be adjusted within the Phonak app. Phonak Lumity uses AutoSense OS 5.0 software to automatically adjust the hearing aid settings depending on the sound environment around you. Speech Enhancer listens to the incoming speech signal in quiet situations and processes the sound for reduced listening effort. Dynamic noise cancellation also helps improve speech understanding and noise. The Phonak Lumity hearing aid also has motion sensor hearing, which detects user movement and noise levels in the environment to adjust the microphone settings. Now, if you're receiving value from this video so far, please hit the like button. Also, comment below any questions you have about the Phonak Audeo Lumity hearing aids. The Phonak Lumity offers wireless connection to Apple, Android, and other Bluetooth devices for hands-free calls. Phonak offers several wireless accessories that send sound directly to the Phonak Audeo Lumity hearing aids. You can hear better when watching TV with the TV connector, and the Phonak partner mic can be worn by another person to send their voice to your hearing aids. If you want to make sound adjustments, you can use the Phonak remote control or the Phonak app. The Phonak Audeo Lumity is also compatible with Phonak's Roger wireless microphone technology. Phonak Roger actively adapts the signal-to-noise ratio to optimize speech understanding in noisy situations. The Phonak Roger On microphone can be worn by the person you're listening to, and the Roger Select and Roger Table mic can be used for better speech understanding in group situations. The Phonak Audeo Lumity offers extra features like health data tracking for steps and activity levels, as well as wear time data. Tap control allows you to tap the top of your ear twice for the voice assistant to play or pause music or to accept or end a phone call. Active vent receiver technology controls the vent inside the earpiece, so the sound quality is optimized for your own voice, speech and environmental sounds, and music streaming. Also, if you want to save yourself a trip to your provider's office for an adjustment, the Phonak Audeo Lumity can also be adjusted remotely. Each Phonak Audeo Lumity hearing aid has a multifunction button on top, which serves as an on and off switch, volume control, and/or a program change. These settings can be set up by your provider. If you experience tinnitus or ringing in your ears, consult with your local audiologist who can activate the tinnitus balance noise generator for tinnitus relief. The hearing aids are charged with the Phonak Charger Ease, which reaches a full charge in 3 hours. The Phonak Audeo Life Lumity can be charged with the Phonak Charger Case Go, which gets up to 3 full charges from the case's internal battery, or you can use the Phonak Life Charger when you're home. Does the Phonak Audeo Lumity hearing aid sound like something you'd be interested in? If so, let me know by hitting the like button and consult with your local audiologist for more details. Click on the video link on screen now for another video just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.